When the breeding season arrives, something magical and chaotic happens in the world of penguins. These cute, waddling, flappy little birds transform into romantic warriors. Males and females gather together in massive colonies called breeding grounds, places they visit only during mating season. And that's where all the drama begins. You see, penguins are often monogamous, meaning they usually stay loyal to the same partner for life, or at least for a few breeding seasons. But here's the catch. Staying loyal in a crowd of thousands isn't as simple as it sounds. During mating season, the males, who normally spend most of their time in the water, return to land. When they arrive, they begin an unusual ritual, searching for their partner from the previous season. But here's the twist. They don't use their eyes, they use their ears. Penguins have a remarkable ability to recognize each other's voices even in a crowd of thousands. Imagine being at the loudest concert ever and still finding your friend without texting them. That's how incredible penguins are. When a male finally finds his partner, he has to win her heart all over again. And no, he doesn't bring flowers, he brings her a gift. A perfectly smooth, shiny pebble. This isn't just a rock, it's his proposal, his way of saying, "Will you nest with me again?" If the female accepts the pebble, she follows him back to his nesting spot, and together they begin building a circular nest using pebbles and stones. That one pebble becomes the foundation of their home, but if she doesn't like the pebble, or maybe she wasn't impressed with him from the last season, she simply rejects him and moves on to another male. No drama, no explanation, just waddles away. It's like penguin divorce. And now, the spicy part. Not all penguins are loyal. Some females cheat. While her mate is out searching for food or gathering more pebbles, another male might approach her with a smoother, shinier stone. If she likes it, she quietly accepts his pebble, and sometimes she even allows him to mate with her in secret. And it gets crazier. Penguins also steal pebbles from each other's nests. Some clever males wait until no one is watching, sneak into another penguin's home, grab the best stones, and run off. But if they get caught, oh, it's chaos. You'll see flippers flying, loud screeches, and wild chases across the colony. Nature basically invented reality TV before humans ever did. Scientists have even observed some female penguins collecting pebbles from multiple males. Yes, multiple. One female was recorded accepting 5 different pebbles in a single day, and yes, she mated with every single one of those males. Let's just say penguin dating culture is complicated. Some penguin species have been seen proposing with 2 or 3 pebbles, just in case the first one fails. Backup plans. Penguins invented them. In rare cases, females have been caught pretending to like a male, taking his pebble, and then abandoning him without mating at all. Brutal. Now, if you thought penguins were dramatic, wait until you hear about porcupines, because in their world, romance begins with P. Porcupine mating season lasts just 2 to 3 weeks a year, but not all females are ready to mate at the same time. Instead, each female becomes receptive for just 8 to 12 hours during that short period. That's right. She has less than half a day to find the right partner, or she has to wait an entire year for another chance. So how do the males know when a female is ready? Pheromones. When a female enters her mating phase, she secretes a powerful chemical signal from her genital glands, and males can smell this from over a mile away. As soon as they pick up the scent, they rush to her location as fast as they can, sometimes traveling 5 times farther than their usual territory just to find her. And here's where things get really bizarre. When a male finally approaches a female, he doesn't just mount her. That would be dangerous, considering she's covered in thousands of sharp quills. Instead, he climbs onto a tree branch or a rock above her, positions himself carefully, and then he urinates on her. Yes, you heard that right. Porcupine love starts with a golden shower. This isn't random, though. It's actually a part of courtship. The female checks the scent and chemistry of his urine. If she approves, she signals her acceptance by staying close. If not, she walks away, leaving him embarrassed and rejected. Nature is brutal, folks. But the drama doesn't stop there. Rival males fight for the right to mate. These battles can get intense. They bite, claw, swing their tails, and yes, sometimes stab each other with their quills. The strongest male wins, and only then does mating begin. Once accepted, the female lowers the quills on her back and carefully covers them with her tail to protect the male. Then, and only then, he mounts her very gently. Mating can last up to an hour, and they may repeat the process multiple times until the female's short mating urge disappears. And just like that, it's over. The male leaves and continues on his way, possibly returning next year to mate again. For porcupines, love is short, spiky, and surprisingly messy. Some females fake their pheromone release to lure multiple males, then choose the strongest fighter as their mate. Males can travel miles beyond their usual range during mating season, risking predators and exhaustion, all for love. Wrap up. So there you have it. Penguins trade pebbles, cheat on partners, and sneak into each other's nests. Porcupines spray each other, battle for dominance, and mate in one of the strangest yet safest ways imaginable. Nature is wild, and the more we learn, the stranger it gets. So, which shocked you the most? The sneaky penguins with their pebble proposals, or the porcupines starting romance with a golden shower? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more weird, wonderful animal facts.